Hello, my name's Mark Ryder, London Sales Director at GEO. I'm here to tell you about GEO's London Dedicated Fibre Network and to help you understand what makes it one of the most secure and resilient networks in the capital. In London, we've taken an entirely different approach to other providers and operate our network in the Thames Water sewer system, several metres below the surface. This gives us the unique advantage of virtually eliminating the need to dig up the London roads to lay new fibre, and also offers our clients lower running costs and a private and secure network with unlimited use of capacity for the future. Not only do we pride ourselves on offering a fast, secure and reliable network, to date we've had no fibre cuts in London. We have physical diversity from other operators. We have the lowest latency network in London. And finally, there's no network sharing. It's all yours. We understand that it's not always possible for people to visualise what a network running through the sewers might look like. Let's go underground and have a look at how the GEO Metro network works. So here we are at Thames Water, about to go down into one of London's sewers, which spans over 67,000 kilometres. GEO works very closely with Thames Water for installing new fibre duct and for our customer installations. I'd now like to hand you over to Rob Smith, Catchment Engineer for Thames Water, and Paul Rosardi, Senior Project Manager and Planner for GEO, who will take you down to the sewers to show you how our network works.
Got your gas monitor. Right, the principle of that is that's monitoring the air that we breathe, okay? If it starts going off, beeping dramatically and flashing the lights at you, mine will be doing the same. Coming down! Are you okay?
Right.
That's right. Come on. Are you alright? Yeah.
Okay, by running its network through the sewer system, GEO can offer its customers many advantages, not least is the security level. We're in this sewer here, which is between 5 and 30 metres below ground level. So we're well away from other utilities like gas, electricity and other networks. So the chances of this network being dug up are drastically reduced. Each one of the subducts we've got here, we can install a cable which would be carried out from ground level. These subducts will take a cable up to 432 fibres, so we have plenty of capacity to offer our customers across the network and always retaining a spare subduct so that we have something for maintenance. One of the other distinct advantages that GEO has by using the sewer system is that we can drastically reduce the amount of digging that's required on the streets of London. This has the benefits of saving both time and cost in either enhancing our network or installing to a customer's premises. We can actually take the cable right to the nearest manhole within the sewer system and then dig just the last short section, if anything at all, to get to a customer's premises. During installation, our contractors install these clips within the sewer system that you can see here. Once they've carried out a length of clipping for around 300 metres or the distance that's required, the subduct is then fed through the sewer system and it's basically pushed and locked into these clips. Once that's been done for the length of the new network, all cabling is then carried out and it's blown into the subduct at street level. Okay, here we are now out at street level where we mentioned earlier that all of our cabling and our splicing operations take place. Our engineers are now currently working on a new customer, connecting them into the GEO network. We're now inside the communications room at the customer's premises. This is the customer's rack where his equipment will be terminated and he will connect into the GEO network. What our engineer is actually doing here is testing the link which has just been commissioned through the network. He's having a close-up look at all of the optical splices to make sure they're well within GEO's highest standard and their specification. In this way we can ensure that we offer our customer the highest quality link.
Hopefully you have a little bit more understanding about our GEO Metro network now. You might be wondering what it is exactly we run over it. You can choose from a fibre-only service or a scalable 1 gigabit to 10 gigabit managed Ethernet solution. All of our products are delivered on a dedicated fibre basis, which means it's extremely simple and hassle-free to upgrade from 1 gigabit to 10 gigabit to unlimited use. We are also extremely experienced at delivering large-scale bespoke network solutions to our clients in London and on a national basis. To date, we have built and delivered networks for some of the country's most demanding users of data, including leading financial institutions, internet service providers, mobile operators, and the public sector. At GEO, we're always looking ahead and constantly expanding our London network reach. We can pretty much go anywhere inside the M25 with over 67,000 kilometres of sewer at our disposal. We are confident that wherever you want to get to, we can get you there, not only with competitive market rates, but more safely and securely than any other provider.